I would request our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. A.K. Sharma, to address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Guest, Brigadier Atulya Solanki, Presiding Guest Dr. V.K. Tyagi, Manager Ms. Bimla Bhatia, distinguished members of School Managing Committee, Roopnagar Public School Society, Parent Teacher Association, PDPS Alumni Association, grandparents, parents, staff, and dear children. A very good evening and warm welcome to all of you present here. On behalf of entire school family, I formally extend a hearty welcome to our chief guest, Brigadier Atulya Solanki, Secretary, National Defence College, New Delhi. Brigadier Solanki, an alumnus of Indian Military Academy at Dehradun, was commissioned into 11 Gorkha Rifles Regiment in 1984. During his 32 years long service to this nation, he held various commanding positions as instructor at IMA Dehradun, directing staff at Defence Services Staff College, Wellington. Widely traveled Brigadier Solanki served United Nations at Sierra Leone, West Africa in 1999 on his foreign assignment. The officer has commanded an infantry battalion under a strike corps as well as a long line of control in Jammu and Kashmir and an independent mountain brigade in high altitude sector along Indo-Tibetan border. For his dedication to the nation, he was awarded Sena Medal for his operational excellence. Again, to have an army officer with us reminds the year 1992 when the then school chairman, retired Director General Armed Forces Medical Services, Lieutenant General Ved Prakash, PVSM, presided over the school function to welcome Air Marshal Palamadai Muthuswamy Ramachandran, AVSM, VSM, ADC, Vice Chief of Air Staff as chief guest, who donated the school GNET aircraft Ajit, which now beautifies the campus of our primary school building. Sir, we are honored to have you with us, and I'm sure that your presence will inspire all of us today. Thank you for sparing your valuable time and to be with us. This evening, we have with us Dr. V.K. Tyagi, retired Associate Professor in Geography from Delhi University and Chairman of School Managing Committee as presiding guest. Dr. Tyagi is always a great support and guiding pillar for all of us. A teacher's success is defined by the success of his students. Today is a great day for him as his student Brigadier Solanki has graced this occasion as chief guest today. Big round of applause for this achievement. You are welcome, sir, and I thank you very much for sparing your valuable time for being with us. I take this opportunity to welcome our school manager, Ms. Bimla Bhatia, without whose support we will lack to achieve the glitter of success, as her lifelong experience is the reflection of the growth story of this institution. I also extend a hearty welcome to our special guests today, Mr. Chauhan and Mr. Shashi Kumar, both advocates from High Court, Delhi. Dr. Yadav, Deputy Commissioner, MCD, Delhi. Thank you, sir, for being with us. I would also like to welcome all the respected members present here of Mr. Bhatia's family, School Managing Committee, School Society, Parent Teacher Association, PDPS Alumni Association, who are present here. At last, I extend a very hearty welcome to all the parents, grandparents, guardians, media persons, and all the guests who have honored to be with us today to make this wonderful evening a good experience for our children and making Rainbow 2015 a wonderful experience. Without your presence, this evening, this event cannot be meaningful. Dear all, celebration of Rainbow 2015 is a remarkable evening in the lives of many young parents present here today. I am confident that all of you will feel proud for admitting your child here with us, with this institution, and giving us this responsibility and this opportunity to shape the future of your child and to try to bring a turning point in their lovely innocent lives. To speak about this school, sir, which is founded by late Shri Prabhudayal Bhatia ji, an educationist and a great visionary leader, in 1959 as Roopnagar Public School at Roopnagar, shifted to present location in 1979 and renamed as Prabhudayal Public School after his demise in 1986, has reached this pinnacle of success, housing about 2,600 students today in its three wings, namely nursery wing, primary wing, and this wing called senior wing. As you know, all three are in very close proximity. This institution has shaped the destiny of many students since 1959 and now can boast of its alumni serving this nation and many foreign countries. The results of this institution have been excellent since its first batch. We have dedicated, highly committed, very well qualified and experienced team of teachers to mentor our all student population of various age group. Today, we are celebrating Rainbow 2015, which is an annual cultural extravaganza to be put up by the tiny tots of preschool and pre-primary with 100% participation. As we know, rainbow is a spectacular phenomenon which happens when the innocence of nature is united with the sunlight, then rainbow is created. The same way, we try to make the children to explore themselves, their potential inside, and try to make them to move on the path of truth to get all the strength for their life so that they can create their own rainbow to beautify their own life and the life of all others around and serve this nation in a better way. Now, without taking much time, I add my best wishes to all my teachers and students for the success of this event, which they have prepared for us with hard work, zeal, and dedication. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.